Hello, welcome to Totally Random. Okay, so it's been a long day, long few hot days here. So, what do we have here? Tiny little padlock. It's probably 40 mil across by 10 mil. Now, what interested me was the very narrow, tight keyway. So I picked up a tension wrench and played around with it a bit and thought, I'm seeing some smart Alex open locks with things other than the traditional tools, or i.e. minus a pick or a tension tool or something like that, shims. So yeah, there's a padlock open with a tension wrench. I think it's only a 3-pin, similar to an Abus that I picked a while back. So there you go, totally random. Have a nice day.